Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 1. Most of you have already gotten stuck into this, which is fantastic. The purpose of this little screencast is just to orient you again and hopefully troubleshoot any problems you're having with the blog or the journal. So let's go right in. Here's the calendar that I showed you on Saturday. The resources, chapter 1 and 2 from TLC, these are basically introducing you to the functional perspective on language teaching. And Jed started doing that with his presentation on Saturday, where he talked about register and genre. So that, and actually down here, you'll see this is optional, these videos. These are down here. And if you want to go in more depth to what Jed started, there's these two videos that he created here. These also might help complement the readings for chapter 1 and 2, which are, again, which have a lot of concepts they're throwing out on you. So those videos might be super helpful for that. Okay, our icebreaker blog, as I said, purpose is community building, getting to know each other, feeling comfortable with each other, learning a little bit about where people are teaching, what their lives are like. So the first post is due on Tuesday, and then you're going to comment on at least 5 colleagues' posts in this blog. And then with your comments, try to make them um, kind of push the discussion a little bit. So this is where we're practicing doing a discussion. So you might want to, in your response, uh, relate to something that someone has done. Oh, like I shared a certain experience. You also could ask a question because you're going to continue this dialogue. So after you kind of post on other people's blogs, they're going to post on yours. You're going to go back in and respond to some of the questions that people have posed. I started going in today and responding to the posts that are up there, so you can read what I have done as a model. This is the practice exercises just in the book that you got on Saturday, and then this is the journal entry. Okay, here's the reading, and let me just go to the blog and help if there's any troubleshooting that is needed. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to click create blog entry here. And then you're going to paste in your blog here. And then this is the icon that's going to let you put your photo in. And the big thing that I think is important here is, so then you're going to browse your computer and you'll attach your photo. This appearance section is key, and this is where you're going to constrain the properties. You're going to basically make your picture kind of fit. And I usually just put in 400, and then it'll kind of make a photo that actually works. So that's sort of important to think about there. Okay, going back. Let's see, let me get out of this part here. Okay, now I want to just quickly go to the journal. And as I said before, this is an individual journal, and it's really designed to get you to start thinking, because as we know as teachers, when we write about something, it helps us think about something, and it helps us consolidate our understanding and knowledge. So that's what's happening here. And then I'm going to respond to you to what you write. So this is also, you can pose questions here. You can just kind of describe what you're understanding so far. There is a rubric that goes with this, and basically what it'll tell you what I'm looking for, which is combination of just kind of what are you understanding about this, and how is your understanding related to what you're reading. Okay, and this will also serve as a little bit of a pretest. So at the end of the course, you're going to kind of go back and sort of think about this as well. Okay, so that's the journal, and I think that's all I need to tell you about this module. Let me just have another quick look here. Keep going back to the calendar, because it's going to be super helpful for you kind of figuring out what you need to do over the course of the week. So on Friday, you'll get the next section of the module, which is going to have new things that you can start working on Friday night or Saturday. Okay, any questions? Just shoot me an email, and I look forward to the discussion that we're going to have here in the blogs, and also I look forward to your journal entries. Okay, thanks.